You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to add an ad blocker to Google Chrome on your computer. Open the Google Chrome browser, click the three-dot menu in the top right, then select Extensions, click Manage Extensions. This opens the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the top left, type AdBlock and press Enter. Look for the official AdBlock Best Ad Blocker extension with millions of users. Click on it. On the extensions page, click the blue Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear detailing the permissions the extension needs. Click Add Extension. The AdBlock icon will now appear in your Chrome toolbar, usually at the top right. To customize it, click the icon and select Options or Manage. Here you can adjust filter lists, allow ads on specific sites, or enable extra privacy features. The extension will start blocking ads immediately on most websites. For a lightweight alternative, you can also search for AdBlock Origin. Repeat the same process to install it. You can have multiple ad blockers, but one is usually sufficient. To disable or remove the extension later, go back to Manage Extensions and toggle it off or click Remove. For more simple Chrome tutorials, subscribe to the channel.